you know the difference between astrology and astronomy? Yes, Ishika Das. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also well. So you have probably missed few sessions in the past.
Yes.
Okay. And you have already taken something around 30 sessions at Clapingo. So have you gained something from these sessions?
Yes, I've gained many things, uh, like conversing in English, the fluency, and the topics
Okay.
really helped me.
Yeah. So can you please tell me something about yourself, just to get me get yourself introduced?
Sure, sir. My name is Ashika Das. I'm from Patna, and right now I've just completed my class 12th, and I'll be starting my college.
All right. So you joined here at Clapingo to refine your ability in English language.
Yes, actually.
So what were the difficulties that you were initially facing when you joined? Yeah.
Uh, Mainly the fluency and conversing in English.
Okay. The word is conversation or conversing.
Conversing.
Yes. And don't make it sound like conversion or converse. I mean, that means something else. Okay, and that's quite a dangerous word nowadays. Anyway, so now our topic for holding a discussion is astrology. So tell me, do you have some faith in astrology?
I'm not sure about it. Sometimes, yes, I go through the astrology page in the newspapers sometimes, and uh, I think sometimes they're true, but sometimes they're not. But they are interesting.
It's an interesting subject for you,
Yes, you
astrology.
can say that.
Do you
Like
check?
predicting the future is fun.
Do you check the horoscopes that come regularly in newspapers and magazines?
Not regularly, but sometimes yes, I do.
Sometimes you glance through them.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever been to a palmist to show your hand?
And no.
No. So, do you think is it possible to predict the future?
If you go with the trend and if you observe your surroundings, then sometimes yes, you can predict the future, but future is not always what you think about it. It can keep changing.
And do you know the difference between astrology and astronomy?
Astronomy is the study of space, and astrology is studying the stars and predicting the future,
Yes.
something like that.
Yes, it's more or less you're correct. Have you seen someone doing something crazy in the name of astrology?
I've never witnessed it in person, but in the videos I've seen the videos that goes viral on Facebook and Instagram.
Okay. So now supposing if astrology was all that good and it could predict the future, so what would you like to know about your future through astrology?
Uh, if it was really possible, then I would like to know about if if I fulfill my plans in the future, what I'm planning right now.
Yeah.
So I would be very happy. But the thing is that future planning never works, as I've observed throughout.
And what would you not want to find out?
Uh, I don't know.
Shall I answer? Help you in answering?
Yes, sir,
Sure.
sure.
I would not like to find out when I'm going to die,
That's
because
true.
if you
But
know that answer, then you had it.
that's true.
True. You agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Wholeheartedly.
Yes,
Wholeheartedly?
yes, I do.
Okay. So what's an eclipse? There are two kinds of eclipse: lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. So you have to think and then tell me what it means and then form a sentence with this word.
Um,
Solar has got
solar
to do with sun, and lunar is moon.
solar eclipse is when the moon comes in between the earth and the sun. The shadow falls.
Yes,
The
right.
shadow of this moon falls on the earth, and there's some darkness for a few seconds or something like that. And lunar eclipse is when the earth comes in between the moon and the sun, so the light is not reflected by the moon.
So when was the last time you saw an eclipse?
Uh,
A few months back.
a, few,
I don't expect you to.
a few months back, yes, it happened, but I missed it. Uh, I last saw it a few years back, I guess, during the lockdown times.
Okay. What is psychic?
Psychic. Something related to psychology.
Yes, something to do with mental. And
Psychology.
if a person is able to predict the future, he's thought to be psychic. Okay, now make a sentence with the word vision.
You need to have a clear vision to achieve your goals.
Very good. And predict. Predict. Make a sentence with this word. Predict.
He predicted the math score and he won the bet.
Okay. And horoscope. Horoscope.
Can you tell me about today's horoscope?
All right. Yes, that
Okay,
will
so
do.
so what is your view towards horoscope and prediction and all?
Yeah, what do you want to know?
What do you think about prediction and future and horoscope? Do you believe in those things?
I don't believe that because if I see two horoscopes on the same day, they vary a lot. It, yeah, if somebody can predict the future, the others can also do the same. I mean, who is right or who is wrong, I don't know. So why should I believe in that? Bejan Daruwala says something, and there's some other guy who says something else. So, and who is, I don't care about this science of astrology. How come you derive such things here that the position of the star is going to do something to you? I mean, if I want to have gajar ka halwa now, nobody can force me to have, biryani. Okay. It's, I'm just giving an example. It's a very small thing. But if you expand this view, if I'm going to take this direction on the left side, who, who's going to turn me around and make me go the other side? I mean, not a living being, not the star. The star doesn't do anything to me except, I mean, how come the stars existing billions of miles away predict my or do something about my future? Yeah. And what else? So you have been missing all these sessions. Why? Are you occupied with some other things?
So actually, I'm a dancer and I was occupied with some program with
Okay.
compositions and all. So I was unable to take the classes and the timing was really uncertain. So whenever they used to call us, we had to go there and be present at that time. So that's why.
Okay. And for how many months have you subscribed here?
Uh, uh, I've sub I do it every month.
3 or 6 months? Three
So
months
up
or
to
6 months?
3 months. 3 months.
3 months. Okay. So halfway, you are probably halfway through now.
Yes, sir.
So try to be regular. Book for a time at a time when you think you would be free from
Sure,
the
sir.
course. Yeah, because I think you have missed 2 sessions with me alone. I don't know about others. So you can speak well and you know how to form sentences, but you just needed the practice. So you come here to do the practice, to practice conversing with some guy sitting across the screen.
Uh, I have improved a lot, you can say. I was not able to form sentences at the beginning. So now I've gained that confidence and I've
You will
gained that
gain more
fluency.
confidence and forming sentence would become easier the more you come and join and speak here.
Yes, sir.
Because your basics are okay. Okay, you don't need much, input now, but you just need the practice. Your grammar and your most of your pronunciations are fine. Okay, Ishika, hope to see you again soon. And now the time is up. I have another session to do.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Have a good day.
Bye. Thank you.